We're gonna do something different today. I'm gonna make 3 of my mom's most interesting recipes that I feel like not many people have seen before, and I'm gonna get my friends to rate them, see what they think. All right, so we're gonna start out with a bunch of broccoli. So now, just gonna dice an onion. I only need half of it probably. I need to fill a cup. One cup of raisins. And about half a cup to a 3/4 cup of sunflower seeds. All right, now we're gonna cook the only thing we have to in this recipe. Bacon. Because every recipe from the 50s needs bacon. If only I put those first ones in the right spot. For the record, I don't normally cook my bacon like that. But we're going for maximum crunch. So here's where this gets crazy. We're about to defeat the purpose of having eaten vegetables in the first place. Tell me when you think I should stop adding mayo.
No. Wait.
No, we're not done yet.
Wait.
1 cup of mayonnaise.
Look how they mess with my boy.
We're about to get more sinful. Half a cup of sugar. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Half a cup of bacon crumbles. Mix it all up.
What the hell is this?
Let's make sure I got this right. That's right. So, next is probably the weirdest recipe that I know of. It's called Hello Dollies. I have no idea why. And it's just very strange, but it works. I'm curious to see what you guys think about this one. Get a 9x12 baking pan and add half a cup of melted margarine or butter. Now, I'm gonna take some graham crackers and we're going to turn them into crumbs until we have a cup of them. Oh, that's nice. That was so much easier. Mom, why'd you say to do that by hand? Now we're gonna cover the bottom in a cup of graham cracker crumbs. Next, I'm gonna take a can of sweetened condensed milk. See, he'll lick the lid of the sweetened condensed milk, but not the mayo. Half a bag of milk chocolate chips, about 6 ounces. Half a bag of butterscotch chips. One cup of pecans. And last, and definitely least, is some coconut. All right, now we're going to bake this at 350 for, Sid, give me my mom. Oh, 325. 325, 30 minutes. All right, this last one is an old, well-known favorite, chicken and dumplings. And it's my great-grandmother's recipe. But this one's really cool because it's only 3 ingredients. All right, step over here. So the first ingredient just said salty chicken water. So basically I just took a chicken carcass, boiled that in a pot of water, and then you can just shred the chicken off the bone really easily by hand or with a fork. I'm just gonna add that back to the pot. Now, the second ingredient was biscuits from one biscuit can. So now you're gonna add the biscuit dough from the biscuit can to your chicken broth. This is what's gonna make the dumplings. Yeah, I'm gonna cover that up, let that boil for a little bit. Cook the dough, add the milk, and we're done. So if you wanna look over here, it's done. I tried one of the dumplings, tasted good, tasted like a dumpling. Gonna add 1 cup of milk and it'll be done. All right, so we have our 3-course meal here, gentlemen, and I want honest opinions. Don't hold back. My mom's gonna watch this. We got broccoli salad first up, followed by the chicken dumplings, finishing with the Hello Dollies. So let's go, same time, dig in. I don't think I'm getting any useful footage from up here. What? Oh, come on.
Success!
Love. That's a strong adjective.
バカ野郎そんな褒められても嬉しくねえよこの野郎が嬉しそうだな
That's weirdly complex for how simple that was. It reminds me a little bit of Cracker Barrel's chicken dumplings. There's like a little bit more maybe mushroomy or something. There's like cream mushroom, I feel like. Man, that is so simple and it's really good.
Success! Yo, that's the one.
If you guys like this, then there might be 2 other secret family recipes I might let you try some other time. Do you guys like unbiased opinions? Do you want them out of the frame? Comment below and let me know. Until next time. See ya.